are back at Green River. Oh, never mind. The sign's not on that, but we're back at Green River. We're gonna be fishing out of the canoe again. Hopefully I don't dump my dad out, and hopefully it doesn't fall on my face again, and hopefully we can catch some fish. This is the first time fishing here, and yeah,
all the boat ramps are locked, shut down, so
yeah,
we're pack his suckers.
Yeah, the boat ramps are shut down, so we got to deal with all that. And apparently this is copperhead country, and the rocks are where they like to hang. So hopefully the next time I cut in, we're not in the hospital. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, we got the goods. All kinds of baits and stuff. Let's get it. Grab that.
Not bad.
Okay. Alrighty, well, we just, crap. Well, we just got news that this really nice guy, he's over there, he told us that the marina's open right now. He told us that the marina's open, so we're gonna go to the marina instead of where we're at now. I'm gonna sit down for a second. Oh shoot. We're gonna go to the marina because it's gonna be a lot easier to launch from the marina than it is from this place. And so, because it's not worth walking down there, especially with my dad, because his knee is hurting super bad right now, to where it's so bad to where he can barely walk almost. But so we figured that the marina would just be 10 times easier to launch the canoe than where we are now. So I'll cut back over whenever we get to the marina, and hopefully by then we'll be in the water. Stay tuned. I can see it, but all these little things, like right there, these are all little bait fish. Can't tell what they are, but whatever they are, they're going nuts. I'm gonna say they're probably shad, but it's hard to tell. But if I had my cast net, I'd definitely try and catch them, but I left it at home, so much for that. But it's okay. But we're almost ready to get out on the water. Go ahead and get in. Alright, so we're on the water.
Man, that wind is ripping, dude.
Yeah, I know. Look at all the minnows. At least there's not a lot of current. But we're off. I'll cut in once we get to the first place that we're going to be fishing. My dad he had to fix his seat. He epoxied it, and you can see right there. And it's still sticky, and he sat down on it, and he stood up, and it just ripped out of the canoe.
Like my butt was literally stuck to the seat.
Or the seat was stuck to your butt. One of the two, we're not really sure.
Well, great.
Hey, while you're in there, grab the worms for me.
That's what I'm doing. Grab your pole, son.
Alright, I'm gonna get rigged up with this bobber and see if we can't catch any fish on the bobber and worm. We changed up to a 3/8 ounce chatterbait with a white paddle tail, just swim bait as a trailer, and we're just gonna be throwing along this wall, and hopefully we can get a big one. Water's cold, so I doubt that the fish have started spawning yet, but oh yeah, that's gonna be good. But hopefully we can hang into a big one, like I said. But should just be going up and down these rock wall, and hopefully we can find where they're at and snag them, or not snag them, but hook them and yeah, ripping lips. Holy moly, this thing vibrates. But this may not be a very action-packed video, and it'll probably be a short one, but it's better than nothing, I guess. And I was making a video, but then forgot to save my videos to the computer, and I moved them and I deleted the file, and now the whole video that I had prepped is gone. So there goes that one, because that would have been a good video, but oh well, it happens. But since that video got deleted, I talked about something that was going on in my home life in that video, and so I guess I'll just talk about it in this one. But the reason I haven't posted a video this week is because, or last week, is because my dog ended up dying, and it was just a rough time for me and my dad, and I didn't feel like filming or doing much of anything, honestly. So I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna make a video. Honestly, if we don't do any good on this wall, we could always try going to that wall. I mean, granted, that's a far drive, but oh well. Hey, that's a snake.
Where?
It's got a fish in its mouth.
Where?
Right there on the bank. It's got a bluegill.
That's a copperhead too.
Eee!
That's a copperhead too.
I hope it's dead.
It ain't dead. That's a fat freaking copperhead.
Yeah. That's scary. Ooh, a cove. A cove. Like, I wasn't lying about it, this being Copperhead country. Update. Change to the old Wappa Ploppa. The yo plop daddy. It's the first time I've ever used one. I've wanted to use one for so long, but like, listen to this. Like, I don't know. That just seems kind of satisfying, and I feel like that would work so well. Now that's what I call a sunset right there, boys. On the water. On the water, peeking through the mountain. I wish I would have started sooner, because it was like appearing from the side of the mountain. That's awesome. That's pretty. It looks a lot better through the sunglasses, but
It does, doesn't it?
yeah. There it goes. Man, that's awesome. That's beautiful. That is one thing I love about fishing. You get to see a bunch of pretty sunrises and sunsets. Man. Man, I freaking love nature so much. And the outdoors.
Good, ain't it?
Yep.
Man, I gotta pee.
You know, there's a lake right here, right?
Yeah.
That's about... It's just a big bathroom. I mean, there's no... And if you had to do the other one, I mean, no toilet paper needed.
Yep.
I mean...
Minus the water's probably about 45 degrees.
Who cares about hypothermia? It's not that serious. Everyone makes it sound worse than what it actually is. It's not that deadly. It's not like it could kill you in a few minutes. We have run ashore and we are trying to get out. Oh shoot, there's a one of them parking things. Oh shoot, we're about to go over one. Okay, stay on this side, because there's one right there. Oh, man. Oh, we're in between them right now.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Get us into, dude.
This ain't my fault.
Uh-huh.
Oh. I swear it's not. I didn't try to get us here. Alrighty, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I know it was different. I know it wasn't very eventful and very exciting and I know that you basically just saw us cast and paddle the whole time, but it's just one of them days. That's part of fishing. It's never guaranteed that you're gonna catch fish. It's never, like I said, you're not always gonna catch fish. The weather may not be on your side. Like today was super windy. The wind was just brutal. I'm sure the audio is probably fantastic, but but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Me and my dad definitely enjoyed getting to come out today. Even though we didn't catch any fish, I still had an awesome day getting to spend time with Dad and just getting to see just nature and see how pretty it is, and it was just overall an awesome day. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, like, just I don't even remember what I said to comment about, but just whenever I talked about leaving a comment, definitely do it, and definitely leave a like, subscribe, and turn the bell notification on, and
continue on route.
yeah, so like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay awesome. Peace.